Robinhood wallets supporting Shiba Inu, and it's rolling out to 1 million users. Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. It's time to talk about Shiba Inu, and wow, SHIB just continues to stack up wins. And Robinhood, of course, listed Shiba Inu back in April 2022. And now, of course, Robinhood Wallet is finally launching, adding support for Shiba Inu and other supporting crypto. They went through their beta testing phase for quite some time. And in an announcement yesterday on Twitter, Robinhood's crypto GM, Johan Kerbrat, said the company had commenced rolling out the wallet to 1 million waitlisted users. And here is a quick glimpse on what it looks like. You can watch a little video there over on Twitter. Now, the wallet received a major improvement following its beta program. And luckily, I was actually one of the first people to get access to the Robinhood wallet. It actually works really well. Shout out to them. They did a really nice job. And right now, it's out there for iOS, mobile devices, coming to Android soon. Shiba Inu, one of those ERC20 tokens that is listed right away and supported by the Robinhood wallet. Some of the other cryptos out there include Solana, Compound, Uniswap, Axie Infinity, Anchor, Ethereum Name Service, and Curve. So another big win for Shiba Inu. Of course, we're all awaiting the big day when the beta launch happens for Shibarium. Appreciate you guys stopping back by the channel for this quick little update. And of course, stay locked into what ClearCryptos is doing. All the links down below. Hop in the Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe right here for more crypto content. See ya.